Provo Beast Audio Installation Channel is sponsored by NVX and Sonic Electronics. Get 10% off all speakers, amplifiers, wiring kits, and more with coupon code PBAI at NVX. Also get 5% off all car audio components at Sonic Electronics with coupon code Provo Beast. Alright, so we got the front door off. Got our crossover all in, all wired up. This end will go to our tweeter. Actually sits on a panel that bolts in separately. And we got our mid-range in there. All good to go. The other speakers were totally shot. The surrounds were totally gone, so they were distorting like crazy, obviously. Alright, so we got our tweeter mounted there in the factory location. Actually fits really nicely. And got the panel back on. Now we just need to bolt that panel back in. Connect the rest of our harnesses. And the door panel should be about there. Okay, so pulled out those back speakers, put in the new ones. We got these NVX 6x9s. These are gonna sound sweet. Bolted up to the factory location using the bracket here. All right, so since I had to take the back seats out anyways to replace the 6x9s, I went ahead and actually got our amplifier all mounted. I just need to clean things up a little bit. I cut a piece of MDF, carpeted it, and mounted it to the frame. And then our amplifier easily mounted to that. All tucked away. I gotta be really careful of all the hydraulic pumps in the back. So that was the best place, nice flat spot to get that mounted where it wasn't really touching anything. We got our power ground all ran. RCAs go up the other side, everything's zip tied and cleaned up. And then we removed the factory amplifier, which was way over there, and ran new wire and tapped into the factory fret speakers. Those are a monster to run new wires through those grommets. And then the back speakers here will run directly off the amplifier here. This is a 4-channel by NVX. So we got that all installed. At this point, we're actually ready to go ahead and throw in the rear seat. So we're gonna get this all reassembled back here. All right, back seat all in. Finally got everything reassembled here. Clean everything up, looks nice. All right, here under the hood. Got our fuse all in. And a little bracket here. So it mounts on the factory fuse mount for the fuse block here. So it's all connected. We have a trickle charge on this battery, but we gotta put a side post adapter for accessories. That's about it. Done. The back screen's all working.